exciting
Yeah.
when you hear about an Arctic blast.
Is it going to get that cold?
Yeah, but you said maybe not so much the precipitation, which really affects the lines, the power lines and things,
I think overall we'll be okay. There's a small chance that some wintry weather, some wintry precip moves in our direction between Monday and Tuesday. It's a low chance, but of course in the coming days we'll iron out the details and get more forecast data in. But it's going to get cold. Lows likely in the 20s and even teens, and highs in the 30s.
It's that time of year.
Yeah, it's that time of year. It's winter. We are in the thick of it. So let's get ready for that and talk about the forecast for this upcoming week. Wind speeds finally coming down. Later on tonight, we've seen, wind gusts near 45, 50 miles an hour in the last 12 to 24 hours, thanks to this first of 3 cold fronts. Sunny and seasonable weather for the rest of the week. But again, this time next week, next Monday, next Tuesday, Arctic air will spill in. And that's going to create a different setup for us South Texans next week. Outside right now, it is mostly clear. The entire state is mostly cloud-free. Out east, though, different story. The rain that moved through San Antonio yesterday morning is now moving farther east and is part of a larger weather system, a dynamic low that is producing a lot of different rain and a lot of different wintry weather across the nation. From Florida all the way to the northeast towards the Midwest, a large system that's producing snowfall for the Great Lakes near Chicago, parts of Missouri, and even out east and southeast, severe weather towards Georgia and parts of the Florida Panhandle. Outside here in San Antonio, it is clear and sunny. Temperature at 56 at Stinson, 53 at the airport. Winds are still breezy and gusty, so something to keep in mind if you're heading out to lunch in the next 30 minutes or so. Breezy and chilly. Have a light jacket, maybe a coat, because here are some of the current wind gusts at 30 at San Antonio International, 32 at Bernie, 25 at Rock Springs, and 20s down Highway 90 towards Del Rio. And the temperatures are still chilly, which is adding that somewhat of a wind chill factor to the air. And even still 40s in Bernie and Fredericksburg at 49, 48 at Rock Springs, 10 degrees warmer, between there and Del Rio at 58, 59 at Eagle Pass. Today's timeline up to 60, going to be a beautiful day, mostly clear skies. And again, wind speeds calm down dramatically. By tonight, temperatures will be chilly, but wind speeds on the order of 5 to 15 miles an hour. And speaking of temperatures, here's the overnight forecast. We're expecting a light freeze anywhere from northern San Antonio to the hill country. It says 37 right here, but that's the airport. If you're watching from Helotes towards Bernie, these temperatures are going to be a lot colder than that. Very quickly, Arctic air is on the way. You can see as it moves farther south. This will be this weekend and next Monday. Between that and Monday is when the air starts to move farther south. It advances towards the valley, and temperatures could get as low as the teens and lower 20s between Sunday and Monday and Tuesday. So a lot to break down. Here it is right here. 7-day forecast today, 60, near 70 on Wednesday, even warmer on Thursday. Beautiful weather. Highs in the middle 70s. First of 2 fronts in the forecast on Friday. Breezy on Friday afternoon, lower 60s this weekend. And again, between Monday and Tuesday, Arctic air moving into San Antonio.
All right. Thanks so much, Ron.